أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
واتل عليهم نبأ الذي آتيناه آياتنا فانسلخ منها فأتبعه الشيطان فكان من الغاوين.
And relate to them the story of him to whom we delivered our signs, but he detached himself from them, so Satan went after him, and he became one of the perverts.
ولو شئنا لرفعناه بها ولكنه أخلد إلى الأرض واتبع هواه فمثله كمثل الكلب إن تحمل عليه يلهث أو تتركه يلهث ذلك مثل القوم الذين كذبوا بآياتنا فاقصص القصص لعلهم يتفكرون.
Had we willed, we could have elevated him through them, but he clung to the ground, and followed his desires. His metaphor is that of a dog: if you chase it, it pants, and if you leave it alone, it pants. Such is the metaphor of the people who deny our signs. So tell the tale, so that they may ponder.
ساء مثلا القوم الذين كذبوا بآياتنا وأنفسهم كانوا يظلمون.
Evil is the metaphor of the people who reject our signs and wrong themselves.
من يهد الله فهو المهتدي ومن يضلل فأولئك هم الخاسرون.
Whomever Allah guides is the guided one, and whomever he sends astray, these are the losers.
وَلَقَدْ ذَرَأْنَا لِجَهَنَّمَ كَثِيرًا مِنَ الْجِنِّ وَالْإِنسِ لَهُمْ قُلُوبٌ لا يفقهون بها ولهم أعين لا يبصرون بها ولهم آذان لا يسمعون بها أولئك كالأنعام بل هم أضل أولئك هم الغافلون.
We have destined for hell multitudes of jinn and humans. They have hearts with which they do not understand, they have eyes with which they do not see, they have ears with which they do not hear. These are like cattle. In fact, they are further astray. These are the heedless.